Gourmet food is a global language used to convey happiness around the world. By applying automated production, gourmet food can be mass-produced, creating flavors and happiness. Founded in 1996, HundredMachinery specializes in encrusting machine technology. Our time-tested precision technology has culminated in HM's sophisticated technical team. We research, design, and improve machinery, having obtained 100 patents in numerous countries during the process. Also, HM 588 has obtained Taiwan Excellence Award. HM has created a resource integration platform for our clients, integrating raw material supply chain, process technology, and downstream packaging. HM endeavors to develop food recipes, vigorously designing new products for our clients. Through constant optimization and innovation, we strive to provide our clients with tailored solutions. HM specializes in designing advanced machinery, consolidating multiple functions in one machine. We specialize in designing tailored solutions by applying 3D printing technology, developing machines based on the food's varying characteristics. In response to the market trend, we offer a series of food solutions to generate the greatest added value for our clients. Marketed worldwide, constantly creating happiness, allowing more people to enjoy global delicacies. You name it, HM make it.